Surprise!
Surprise, surprise. This is a Lumea Prestige. So you be precise, I don't know.
Prestige, it says.
Okay, let's unbox and have a look what's inside.
So you can see. Oh, sorry, I can't see anything. It's got a card that you can put extra warranty on, if you may like.
So we have the full set. It has all the
different types that you will need.
I don't know. Looks very nice.
Yeah, it does.
So
4 different heads.
It's quite big.
Right.
Yeah, you can open it.
I can try. Whee! It opens quite easy.
Yeah, what?
I give them that. That opens quite easy. First we get the device out. It's quite light, to be honest. Nice. It's got the general head on. Yes, it does. This is for all the body head. Yeah, I'm not sure if you can.
Yeah.
It's got all the different heads. Bikini, armpits. It's got the little signs on so you don't accidentally put the wrong one on. Good thinking there.
Yeah.
The face.
So that model has the eye sense or skin sensor.
Skin sensor. It's got a skin sensor.
So it detects how light is the skin, so you can stay with no damage on your skin after the application. I don't know if it's not an application.
It's not an application, it's a session actually.
Yeah,
you have to use it every 2 weeks, at least 4 to 6 times, and then you have to use it.
No, it has everything on the back.
Yeah, it does, but I'm just trying to recall.
It has everything on the back.
Instructions.
It says you can use it once, then the second week, then the 4th week, then the 6th week, and then you go at the 10th week and 14. It says on the packets. So this is a model that is wired, because there is another model that is fully battery powered, but this model is only corded.
And as you can see, I'm accidentally taking the...
No, you have to just...
This is the power supply?
Yeah. They give an application so you can learn more about the device, how to use it and how to...
Yes, because it's got the basic instructions in, but it's got more on the app. It's got like basic attachments, how to use it, where to use it, what...
Yeah, you can find everything on the app.
Yeah, everything is on the app. Anything you need like to know about it, you can find on the app. This is just like a basic starting,
like an idea.
Yeah, an idea.
So, is there anything else in the box?
Yes, it has other things in. Just start with this. It's got a nice little bag for it, so when you're not using it, you just... Oh, I like it. It's actually, even if you knock it down, it's got some protection. You just pop it in there. It's got slots actually, so you can put all the bits in. Yeah, 3 little slots. So nice. Add.
And an addition to that specific model is that you have another extra of the from
Yes.
Philips.
Yes.
So I don't know how they call it. It's
an eyebrow trimmer, if I am not mistaken. That it is.
yeah, you can show it on.
Pen trimmer, sorry.
Yeah. Yeah.
My mistake.
So that's it from the box.
No, it's got one more thing. It's got the little cloth to clean if you need to.
Yeah.
Let's open this.
That's it for the box.
No, you don't need to open it. And this is the
Okay.
trimmer.
I think there's something else inside the box. That small box.
Oh. Oh yeah, you're right. Battery included.
Yes, because they have to try. They try basically to eliminate. They try to make it as friendly to the customer as possible.
Oh, it's got the little. You can cut it in different. What's the?
Yeah.
Short, very short, or just use it without.
So yes, you can use the.
It's got a little.
I don't know how you say
Yeah.
size. Where,
Yeah, you just like as long as it's short, you can.
Okay.
And a little brush to clean it.
Perfect.
Perfect.
So this is the device.
No, you can't do that.
It's not heavy.
It's not heavy. It's not at all. I was expecting it heavier, to be honest.
And we're gonna have a follow-up video for the experience. And thank you so much, guys, for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Do you want to? Okay, bye.
Bye.
The sweet and sour.